It's time to add some herbs to my chicken's feed. I like to do this every once in a while to give the girls a natural boost. I picked up a fresh bag of feed today. I like to feed them the Cluck & Co. organic layer feed. First up is oregano, which is said to be a natural antibiotic and deworming agent. Honestly, if I could only choose one herb to add, it would definitely be oregano because it is just so good for them. Then I added red pepper flakes, which can help your chickens fight parasites, boost egg production, as well as enhance egg yolk color. Next up is garlic. Garlic is a natural antibiotic and supports respiratory health and is great for overall wellness. I also threw in some cinnamon. Cinnamon is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. It's also great for their digestion. I'm only adding half of this bottle because cinnamon is pretty strong. Lastly, I threw in some parsley. Parsley is full of vitamins and minerals and is especially good for egg production. Once everything is added, I mix it all together. This is such a simple way to keep your flock happy and healthy. If you add herbs to your chicken's feed, let me know which ones are your favorite. Thank y'all for watching and follow me for more backyard chicken tips.